Literature Grade 2, Chapter number 5, What a Fright. In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum students of grade 2. How are you all? I hope you all be fit and fine and taking good care of yourself. Today is Monday, 17th May 2021. Today our task is reading and explanation of chapter number 5, What a Fright. Your English teacher is here from Ummul Qura Public School, Junior Branch, MTC. You can see on the screen your book page number 14, chapter number 5, What a Fright. Open your books. Page number 14, chapter number 5, What a Fright. Student, first of all, I will tell you fright means fear. Fright means fear, panic, terror, and a sudden intense feeling of fear. You know what means the fear? A sudden intense feeling of fear. It is the fright. Fright implies shock of sudden starting fear. When you feel something panic or terror, that is the fright. Something shocking. Okay, students. Fear is excited by the sudden danger. I think you will totally explain. I have totally explained the meaning of the fright. You understand the what is fright. Okay, students. Now come to the chapter. Start reading. You can see on the screen that is the picture of the Tom, and he is lying on near the seashore. And Tom was start reading. Tom was on holiday at the seaside. uh, it was a holiday, and Tom was at the seaside. He loved to play on the sands. He loved to play with the sands. On one day, he was tired and sat on a chair. He was tired and sat on a chair. As you can see in the picture, suddenly he saw a ship sailing into the bay. Then he saw a ship coming near to him and sailing into the bay. The flag was the Jolly Roger. You can see in the picture there is a flag on the board, and the flag was the Jolly Roger. Jolly Roger means a flag usually bearing a white skull and crossbones on black background. You can see it is the sign of the danger, and Jolly Roger means usually bearing a white skull and crossbones on a black background, indicates a pirate ship. Okay, indicates a pirate ship. Tom knew that it was a pirate ship when he saw the flag. It was a pirate ship. Soon after, a few boats came ashore. Soon after, a few boats came ashore. You can see a boat, a simple small boat, came ashore near to the Tom. Three pirates jumped out and quickly caught him. Three pirates. Pirates, what is the pirate? A pirate is a person who attacks, robs, and commit illegal violence to sea. And three pirates came near to the Tom, and they caught him and quickly caught him. They put him into the boat and went back to the big ship. The three robbers, three pirates, three persons came near to the Tom, and they put him and caught him and put him um, into the big ship. They put him into the boat and went back to the big ship. As you can see in the picture, there are three pirates talking with the Tom, and they caught him and they put him into the big ship. Now you can see the Tom is going with the pirate. Tom was taken before the pirate chief. When the Tom taken before the pirate chief, he looked very fierce and cruel. He looked very fierce and cruel. Fierce mean, what is mean by fierce? Fierce mean frightened, wild, dangerous. The leader, pirate chief means pirate leader. The pirate leader was very cruel. Very cruel means inhuman, and very fierce means frightened, wild, danger. He looked very fierce and cruel. He gave orders that Tom must walk the plank. Tom must walk the plank. He should walk on the plank. Now, what is the plank? Plank is a plank is a board along with a flat piece of timber. As you can see in the picture, it is the chief. It is the leader of the pirates, and he is talking with the Tom, and he ordered the Tom to walk on the plank. As you can see in the picture, this is the plank, and Tom walked on it. A big plank was put over the side of the ship. Big plank, you can see a big plank put over the seaside of the ship. They made Tom walk on it. They made Tom walk on it. After 2 steps, he fell into the sea. When he walked 2 steps, he fell into the sea. Oh, splash! Splash! Splash means a sound made by something striking or falling into liquid. When something put into the liquid, a sound when you hear a sound, that is splash. And here is written splash means when Tom fell into the water, a sound came, that is splash. Tom woke up in the water. When Tom opened his eyes, he was sleeping, and he woke up in the water. The pirates were all a dream. When he opened the eyes, he watched, that was all the dream. The pirates were all the dream. The tide had come in and upset his chair. Tide, rising and falling of the surface of the ocean. Rising and falling, water, seashore, waves of the water rising and falling of the surface of the ocean, and the waves, the tides upset his chair, and he see that he is on the seashore, that the pirates wall are the dreams. And now you can see the Tom is smiling, and the fright was all the dream. Your chapter is end. Okay, students, now we will do dictation. Open your notebooks and write dictation. Today is Monday. Maintain your page. Write day, date, and year. Monday, 17th May 2021. And topic is dictation line number 5. Write the word number 1, bridge. Number 1, bridge. Number 2, splash. Number 2, splash. Number 3, cruel. Number 3, cruel. Number 4, meal. Number 4, meal. Number 5, stuck. Write these words on your notebook and learn. Now come to the home assignment. Find out 5 nouns, verbs and adjectives from chapter number 5 and write them on English LIT notebook. You have to find out 5 nouns, 5 verbs, 5 adjectives from the chapter and write them on English LIT notebook, and also learn the dictation line number 6. Okay students, your reading is complete. Till then, tomorrow we will meet inshallah. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day.